Tonight, many questions remain in the death of an 18-month-old girl over the weekend. Her mother now charged with child abuse resulting in death. Leah Chavez went through court documents and tells us what first responders found.
It's important to note that the child's identity isn't being shared publicly. We'll refer to her as EM, the baby's initials, which are stated in court records. This is the home on the west side that Albuquerque police and fire rescue responded to Saturday, August 2nd. First responders receiving a call that a man was performing CPR on his baby. Emergency crews finding the child on the ground. Attempts to save the 18-month-old's life unsuccessful. According to court records, the child was found with a lesion in her mouth as well as bruising on her forehead, cheek, and head. An autopsy confirming the bruising and finding a large hemorrhage, police believing it likely came from trauma to the body. The child's father telling police when he tried to wake EM up that day, she was weird, saying she hadn't been sick in the days before, but did fall off the bed face first a few days prior, noting that she didn't appear to be seriously injured from the fall. He said the baby was fussy since she started living with her mother, Vanessa Chavez, and him again. CYFD confirming to KOAT that EM was born exposed to drugs and was previously in state custody. Just a few weeks ago, a judge allowing the child and her siblings to reunite with their birth parents, finding they had made positive strides towards reform.
We will do State v. Vanessa Chavez at this time.
Formally charged with child abuse resulting in death is 40-year-old Chavez, who told police she thought EM had food stuck in her airway and died in her sleep, saying the child was learning to walk and hit her face on everything while tripping. The child's 7-year-old brother telling police he didn't believe his mom killed EM, then later telling detectives he saw Chavez banged EM on her head on a hard wall. He saw her do it. Chavez appearing virtually Thursday from the Metropolitan Detention Center.
Ms. Chavez, this case will be transferred to the district court. The district court will hold a hearing within the next 5 working days.
A district court judge soon to decide whether the mother will stay behind bars.
Ms. Chavez, at this time, do you have any questions?
No.
CYFD tells us the child's 7-year-old brother has been removed from that home and is safe tonight. Reporting, I'm Leah Chavez, KOAT Action 7 News.
Chavez is expected back in court August 12th.